Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Crafter's Companions, My Specialty Papers that are Christmas. I'm going to show you the box. It is super heavy. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, there it is. And so we're going to take a quick look inside. I don't know how quick it'll be, but we're going to take a look at the beautiful papers. They are Christmas, so I'm excited about that. It is still Christmas in July on my channel, so I sincerely hope that you'll go check out the July 1st video for the big subscriber mega giveaway, just like Christmas. And we take a moment away from the Christmas planner series. I will be back to that soon, and then we'll do the flip through. I think we're going to move the flip through to July 31st when we do the drawing, because I want to get in some more page layout inspiration for you from the Base Pages PT collab that I've been involved in. You will love the rest of these inspirational creators' ideas, and so we're going to incorporate them into the Christmas Planner Junk Journal December Daily Mashup. All right, let's look at these beautiful papers. We just had craft day on HSN Christmas in July, and so this was part of that. Now I do have some other Crafter's Companion supplies products that I purchased from this month and last month, and I was going to share them, so if you'd like to see them, let me know. But anyway, let's open this beautiful box of papers. And I just want to say this box is super heavy. So, and I want you to see, this is a ton of papers, and I'm going to have to see. Let me see. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful, and it looks like some from other years. So let me look. All right, there are 240 sheets, 120 designs. So it looks like you'll have 2 of each, and so we'll just go through. We'll just try to flip through as many as we can. These are gorgeous for our journals, for cards. Oh my goodness. You're going to have to try to keep track and tell me your favorite. Oh, look at that. I love. So I'm just going to flip through these and catch you at the end. So some of these papers are really familiar to me, and they look like they're from previous sets and collections that are no longer available. So what a treasure to be able to get my hands on these pre-printed on this beautiful cardstock. That is amazing. These are absolutely beautiful papers. Crafter's Companion always does awesome papers, and I'm really excited to share this with you. I believe it is still available on their website, and it may still be available on HSN. So thanks so much for watching this, and I can't wait to play with these papers and incorporate them into some of our crafting coming up. So don't forget, we have a trivia question. Okay, your trivia question is, every holiday season, Chicago's Museum of Science and Industry displays these from around the world. What are these? Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.